Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Navion Solutions in San Diego, and here's another episode from the shop live. As you can see, we have a huge motorhome at the lift right now, and as we all know, all the motorhomes, they are nicely equipped inside and outside, but nobody takes care about the suspension stuff. And as a result, all of these guys, they have an excessive sway on the road. This video is actually about the pretty much simple upgrade, and it's not just SumoSprings. Here's the rear part of the van. Actually, we are under the motorhome, and as you can see, we don't have much stuff in it. So we used the Bilstein B6 rear shocks, and they perform well. So I cannot say I would say they are compatible with the shocks as the Falcon or Fox shocks, so they are all comparable, and then Bilstein performs pretty well. And the second thing what we did, as you can see, we add the additional leaf spring. So this is the genuine leaf spring, like basically there is no any custom things. We used only genuine solution, and in our opinion it works perfect. This is just a closer look at the leaf spring, and when it comes from the factory, it has just 3 layers leaf spring, and it's not enough. Adding the additional leaf spring, you basically increase the road clearance at the backside and at the front axle as well. And based on what I can see, the leaf springs, they are not sagging now. We have enough room. Even the SumoSpring, which is still installed over here, we will not remove them. It has a gap in here now, so the rear suspension now works. This is the front part of the motorhome, and we used Bilstein solution as well, and we added the Agile coil spring helper, which definitely helps. It is feelable, it is visible. Even this motorhome has approximately 12,000 pounds as a net weight, so this solution performs well. And as a result, we got the more stiffer ride, less sway, the van handles perfect. Now the small thing, when you work on the suspension, don't forget to install the Camber bolt. It doesn't come from the factory, so you have to buy it separately, and there are 2 versions. One of them is for the 2-wheel drive vans, and the second one for the 4-wheel drive vans, and they are different. So we have Bilstein, we have the Agile coil spring pack, which is the additional helper, and this is the solution. Actually brings the motorhome up approximately 1 inch. It adds the stiffness, it releases the sway, not completely, because it's still 12,000 pounds and it has the inertia. But anyway, the van handles perfect comparing the how it came to us before. So from this angle, you can see how huge the tail is. And anyway, so we got basically another inch, even more, additional inch, like the road clearance at the backside. So over here, the leaf springs are visible on this side and on this side, and they are not sagging, so they perfectly handles the weight on the backside. That's the front part of the van, and it's completely, I would say, perfectly leveled up with the rear axle. So we don't have any critical changes in the angles. So we got just approximately 1 inch lift and more stiffer suspension. So if you will have any questions, welcome to our website or to the comments below. You can give us a call, text us, any types of the connections you prefer.